From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. I'm student meteorologist Frank Gargione with your Tuesday evening forecast as we take a live look at Beaver Stadium, where Penn State football will be hosting Villanova this Saturday at 3:30 p.m. The number 2 team in college football looking to start 3-0. But if we take a look here right now in State College, 70 degrees, feeling like 70 degrees, dew point 45, very comfortable, very nice outside. Visibility clear at 10 miles. We do have an east-southeast wind at 9 miles per hour. As we look at our temperatures across the state of Pennsylvania, we've got a theme here about low to mid 70s, with the exception of Johnstown and Bradford at 66 and 67 respectively. As we take a look towards our southeast at Harrisburg and Philadelphia, holding strong at 76, but it is dry. Take a look here. We got no clouds, no precipitation across the state. We do have a system moving its way onto the Jersey Shore that might bring some showers to the very extreme southeastern parts of Pennsylvania as we take a look at the system here. Low pressure setting off North Carolina with a draping stationary front out into the Atlantic Ocean. And we do need that rain for I'd say about half of the state, really struggling with precipitation. Here in State College, we've only had about 1.15 inches of rain since the beginning of August. Very dry so far, so we do have some action here on the drought monitor. As we look towards our southeast, it's not as extreme, but we do have the chance for showers as we look at our future weather as the system really starts to push on into the state of Pennsylvania, heading into tomorrow morning, early morning around 9 a.m. time frame. Got some spotty showers here in the very southeastern part of the state, expected to move its way onto the west and eventually make its way out by Thursday, early morning Thursday when you're heading to class. So nothing is expected here in State College, but the very southeastern part of the state might get some drizzle from this stationary front. As we look at our future temps, it's going to be chilly as well. If you take a look at Wednesday, going into Wednesday morning, our lows could approach maybe into the 30s here in State College, 39 degrees as this model shows here. Waking up at 7:30 in the morning, it's still going to be pretty chilly, 46 degrees. Eventually we'll warm up to around 75 degrees tomorrow here in State College, but even as Wednesday night approaches into Thursday, those lows are chilly in some spots, down to 42 here at 6 in the morning on Thursday. But if you take a look at tonight's forecast, 45 degrees and clear with an east wind at 5 miles per hour. And we do have a 20% chance of some type of precipitation as we look into tomorrow. Like I said, 75 degrees, partly cloudy, northeast wind at 4 miles per hour, precip 10%. And that is the theme as we look at our 7-day forecast. It is expected to remain very dry. Temperatures on the slight increase as we head towards Saturday on game day, expected to be beautiful, 80 degrees, 55 degrees as our low, and very sunny. And if we take a look towards the winding down our weekend and into the early next work week, 79, 77, 78. So we're hovering in that mid to upper 70s region, maybe touching 80 here on Saturday for the entire week. It is going to be gorgeous. Get outside while you can. Enjoy this last bit of warm weather before temperatures really start to crash. I'm student meteorologist Frank Gargione. Have a wonderful rest of your night.